Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. To turn off this watch we need to press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu, and once the menu opens you can scroll through it and look for the power off icon, and once you find it, tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the watch will turn off. Okay, it took a while, but as you can see, it turned off, and that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.